Haughley Green Air Raid Shelter. This shelter was built in September 1940 by a local man called Arthur Eastall, who lived close by. Mr. Eastall and his family spent many nights that winter in this shelter with just a candle for warmth and light. All that protected them from the elements was a curtain in the doorway. Amazingly, the Eastall family managed to put a double bed and a cot in this shelter, which you hope gave them some comfort during what would have been worrying times. So here we are, we're at Haughley Green bomb shelter. This shelter was built by a local resident, and would you believe, according to what I read, there used to be a double bed and a cot in here. Is Arthur Eastall here?
And you had no heat and just a candle of light and a curtain up at the door.
I can barely stand up in it. But you have a lot of praise for this man on the wall, don't you? Some of these posters are brilliant.
Sorry?
The posters.
This look, telling you about the different aircraft.
So the German planes are a bit more square winged, I guess, the fighters.
Yeah.
Bombers is a bit more tricky.
Anybody here with us?
I wonder what those bits are, what they're off.
What?
I wonder what that's a candlestick holder.
Yeah, that's a candlestick. They're just bits of debris, I think, off.
It's an impressive construction you put here, Arthur.
Was there a lot of bombing around here then? I know there was the airfield. Was that why?
No,
was it a particularly active one?
There's lots of airfields around East Anglia, obviously, but I don't know what was here.
Yeah, to make them build a shelter, I would have thought was quite unusual.
Well, yeah, especially in the middle of a village. Still. On reviewing the voice recorder, we appear to have captured a faint male voice. This voice appears to say, "You bet it would." What we can't be sure of is if this is a response to what we were talking about. Still. Still. I find it incredible I managed to get a double bed in here and a cot.
Well, yeah, I mean, you'd fit your double bed down there and a cot in the corner and just all lay on the bed and baby in the cot, and that'd be it, I guess.
I wonder what it's like at night.
Creepy, I should think, and cold.
Well, it's very dark when you come in here, actually.
Yeah, yeah. Put a candle on. It's in a lovely peaceful setting.
Yeah. I wonder how much it would have protected her. I mean, these are solid.
Yeah.
But I suppose they'd have protected more than one of those Anderson shelters, but... Is Arthur here or any of his family?
Taking some pictures.
Are you okay with us being here? Did you just say something? Have you seen this? Hurricanes of the Royal Air Force cooperating with the Russian Air Force. How things have changed.
Yeah.
Can you give me one word to describe the man I'm looking at now?